Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Reports.
The British pound had a volatile trading session, ticking up marginally against the dollar and rising against the euro, as markets digested news the ECB is getting ready for a series of rate hikes. Federal investigators are expanding their probe of Teslas that have slammed into parked first responders' vehicles. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration said its investigation now encompasses 830,000 vehicles with similar driver assist technology. Oil prices edged lower following the announcement of new mobility restrictions in Shanghai, but remain near three-month highs amid signs of economic recovery from the world's second-largest economy. The Aussie-dollar pair dove 1.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. Shares of Facebook crashed 4.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound fell 0.3% against the dollar in the last trading session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. Finland's current account will be released at 0500 hours GMT, Spain's consumer price index at 0700 GMT, the UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 1930 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions will be released at 1930 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 1400 GMT. The US Consumer Price Index at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.